Your dreams woven together. The future of healthcare through truly unique technology. Asahi Intecc was founded as a manufacturer of wire rope for use in industrial equipment. More recently, we have moved into the medical field. From guide wires to vital components of catheter treatment, the development, manufacture, and sale of these devices is at our core. We leverage our proprietary technology and know-how as the global market leader in the cardiovascular field to create a wide variety of intravascular devices for peripheral interventions, neurointerventions, and interventional radiology. Gastrointestinal endoscopy products and surgical collaborative assistant robots, which assist during operations. We develop these and other devices to provide doctors around the world with the support they need.
Asahi Intecc really understood to be a worldwide company, understood demands of different approaches, and is really focusing on development in each different part of the world now.
The core aspect of your technology is building wires, and you control the entire manufacturing process. So whether it's the coating or the resin or the types of wires or their configuration, I think allows you a much greater flexibility than others.
What I've seen from Asahi so far is providing revolutionary technology. Technology didn't exist before. Asahi technology that includes wires and catheters have led to a significant change in outcome in the way we treat those patients.
During PCI treatment, guide wires are inserted at the wrist or groin. They travel through the tiny blood vessels of the heart to reach the affected area. The wires are able to respond with precision to the slightest movement of the doctor's fingertips, yet they must also be able to pass through hard lesions. Asahi Intecc was the first in the world to develop PCI guide wires that are effective in cardiovascular CTO treatment. Offering both control and penetration, they were a dramatic leap forward. CTO, or chronic total occlusion, occurs when a blood vessel has been completely blocked for a long period. Doctors trust our guide wires. Asahi Intecc sells medical devices in over 110 countries and regions and holds over 50% of the global market share. We have also contributed to the global rise of catheter treatment, a minimally invasive therapy.
Ever since the start of our program, we've virtually solely been working with Asahi products because we think they are the standard on the market, we're earliest in the market and offer the highest quality in the market.
Without Asahi device, we cannot perform some complex CTO PCI procedure. With some new dedicated device commercially available in China, some complex PCI, both success rate and efficacy has increased significantly.
Today, we not only provide a variety of devices for coronary interventions, peripheral interventions, neurointerventions, and interventional radiology, we also provide gastrointestinal endoscopy products and our own surgical collaborative assistant robots for operations. These have earned high praise.
やはり冠動脈と末梢動脈疾患というのは違う病変なわけですね。石灰化の程度も違うし、病変の長さも違うし、当然冠動脈の道具では限界が出てくる。その中で、アサヒインテックさんは末梢動脈の、 特徴をよく研究して、それに適した道具というのは常に発展させてきているわけです。新しいことにチャレンジをして、その技術をそしてまた、現場で評価された技術を再度、新しいところへ転用するという形はですね、やはり企業としての、チャレンジをする精神というのに、非常に感銘を受けております。
今はすごく高齢化社会で、実際首の血管も非常に蛇行が厳しい患者さんが多い中で、アサヒテックさんのガイディングカテーテルに関しては他社のそういう製品よりも圧倒的にやっぱりその遠位部まで、進みやすい、やっぱりその追従性の良さですよね。
テームの治療は日本で開発されて、世界に広がっているので、やってらっしゃる先生はアサヒのワイヤーを使ってる方がほとんどだと思うんですよね。やっぱりトルカビリティと選択ができるっていうので、やはり需要は増えてると思いますので、よりカテーテルやったことないよっていう人も始められる主義にしたいと思ってるので、そういったところのサポートや商品開発も期待しています。
もともとガイドワイヤーに関してはアサヒインテックがですね、かなり進んだ技術を持ってらっしゃって、実際に内視鏡の領域に参入されてから新しいガイドワイヤーいくつか開発していただいて、我々も使用経験ございますけれども、我々の想像を超えたガイドワイヤーっていうのを作ってくださる期待感みたいなものはあります。
We develop Asahi technology that gives doctors the performance they're looking for. At its heart are 4 core technologies. Wire drawing technology. We make stainless steel wires of various types, tailored to the desired strength and diameter. Wire forming technology. Wire ropes and coils are made with precision. Torque technology. Wires with good torqueability and excellent maneuverability. Coating technology. Coats of PTFE resin and other materials can be applied down to the micron, allowing smoother movement inside blood vessels. In addition to these 4 core technologies, Asahi Technology has also developed its laser processing, dye, and injection molding capabilities. By expanding our material processing technologies and making developments in sensors, robotics, and other cutting-edge technology, we continue to take up the challenge of new fields. We're also developing plasma guide wires for next-generation treatment, robotics, and sensor technology for navigation systems. It's how we plan to shape the future of medicine. Our global sales structure responds to the dynamically changing needs of the medical field. Asahi Intecc USA closely follows the U.S. market, building a direct sales structure for the entire country. Peripheral and neurological vascular systems are a key market, and we're continuing development alongside local doctors.
I think we've come a long ways. You have already achieved many things I thought unachievable at this point. Your torqueability is unmatched.
We've also grown our direct sales structure in the EU. From the Netherlands to France, Germany, and Italy, we can now sell our branded products directly to clients. In addition, we invite doctors to in-house research sessions, taking active steps to increase our market share. We also support Japanese doctors visiting clinical practices abroad and disseminating technology. Staff from our global offices visit academic conferences and hospitals. We research the needs of top international doctors in the field and provide feedback to our global headquarters and R&D center. Speed, responsiveness, and on-site experience are all part of the passion that makes up Asahi DNA. Every member of our team is involved in development.
エンジニアの方々がですね、我々術者のニーズというものをかなり密なコミュニケーションから吸い上げていただいて、それに基づいたものづくりをしていただいているということで、出来上がってきた製品がですね、我々の日常臨床のニーズを満たすものにおのずとなっていると。
We have expanded into robotics and next-generation smart treatment. We are also developing navigation systems and smart guide wires with plasma energy.
Now, 今回、ソフトウェアという新しい実物の製品ではないものを作られるにあたって物理的な側面、数学的な側面、科学的な側面、プログラミングの能力、そういうものがお一人の方だけじゃなくてさまざまな方々ですね、能力を、たくさん発揮されてこのソフトウェアが完成したというふうに思います。
一人の外科医で3人分の外科医が行う手術を的確にできるということが大きな特徴です。実際にこういったものが出てきて、もうすでに20例以上手術ロボットを使って手術しますけれども、これは必ず将来的に、日本はおろか世界中で、使われる技術だなというふうに感じています。
Today, manufacturing takes place outside Japan, while the domestic focus is on research and development. Management resources are ready to be invested in developing new ideas. Our Osaka R&D Center focuses on metal and cutting-edge material research for wires. The Shizuoka R&D Center carries out resin research and development. Our Tohoku R&D Center specializes in high-precision processing for dies and injection molding. The annex building has been built at our global headquarters and R&D center. By maintaining close links with our factories and other departments, as well as incorporating partial production capabilities, we have strengthened our position as a development hub. The in-house simulation room allows prototypes to be assessed and used for doctor training in a setting that's close to actual clinical practice. The Tokyo R&D Center is our cutting-edge development hub, working on next-generation smart technology, robotics, and developing businesses in new fields. Engineers with expertise in various fields can prototype quickly from raw materials. This ensures rapid development in response to doctors' needs. Our manufacturing bases are in Thailand, Vietnam, and the Philippines. The flood damage in Thailand showed us the need for a self-supporting system in which all our factories can produce the same products. Our Thai factory soon had a mass manufacturing system, so it could serve as a mother factory. But it's more than just a production hub. It also works on product improvement and manufacturing technology development. We invite doctors from Japan to provide feedback on product development. Once they give the okay, prototypes move straight to the manufacturing line. Our system ensures new products reach the global market as soon as possible. Our Hanoi factory. Manufacturing automation and improvements in production technology will make this a production hub second only to our Thai facility. Our Cebu factory. This facility originally manufactured parts for industrial equipment, but today is fast growing into the medical equipment industry. New systems ensure a timely response to global needs. All our factories are expanding production ability in readiness for increased demand. Their mission is to guarantee a stable supply of products. Unified development and production hubs for medical equipment means timely quality control. It allows us to manage and maintain our international certifications. Our global regulatory affairs team are stationed to ensure that we follow the necessary regulations in each country and region.
当社はですね、設立から50年近い歴史の中で創業事業である産業機器分野で培ってきた素材加工のコア技術をベースにしてドクターをはじめとしたお客様のニーズに愚直に応え続けることで医療機器分野の事業を拡大してまいりました。一方で創業から現在に至るまで一貫して変えていないことがあります。それは当社は技術に強いこだわりを持って技術を徹底的に追求するものづくり企業であるということです。さらにそのものづくりを支えるのは当社の DNA であるスピード、対応力、現場力といった我々が最も大切にしてきた不変の価値観です。これからもアサヒインテックらしさ、当社にしかできないオンリーワン技術、ナンバーワン製品をお届けし、持続的な成長を実現していくことで社会に貢献してまいります。
The design, manufacture, and sale of medical equipment is at the heart of Asahi Intec's work. It inspires us to continue to balance our corporate activities with environmental concerns. We take an active role in environmental and social issues. Asahi Intec's mission is to use one-of-a-kind technology to provide #1 products to the world.